In this video we are going to talk about the best toe strap in this year, which is Air America Heavy Duty Toe Strap. We will be going over the special key features of this product, and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. An all-in-one recovery solution, our versatile straps can be used as a toe strap, recovery strap, tree saver strap, or winch extension strap. Includes a handy storage bag to fit all your towing supplies and a convenient hook and loop tight to keep everything in order. Tackle tough towing tasks with a massive 35,000 pounds MBS minimum brake strength and 10,000 pounds WLL working load limit. This rugged strap is an essential tool for off-roaders, emergency personnel, farmers, or anyone needing to haul heavy objects. Reinforced loops and protective sleeves. Our large double web loop ends are padded and reinforced to capably endure the high tension and wear that occurs at connection points and stand the test of time. A superior, all-weather design, made with a unique polyester tube webbing, our straps are the lightest, strongest, and most flexible in the industry and can withstand extreme loads and extreme temperatures. Peace of mind. All Dear America products include our industry-leading hassle-free lifetime replacement warranty. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.